Hello everyone. In this video we'll go for the level 8 on how to crack password to level 8 of Bandit over the wire. So here we are in level 7. As the goal of the level 7 says that the password for the next level is stored in the file data.txt next to the word millionth. So let's try to view what is in the data.txt in the terminal. Before that we need to get into level 7 through the password that we have obtained earlier, and let's see. I am in 7th level here, as you can see. So it says home bandit 7. So let's ls. Here there is data.txt. In data.txt, let's view what is there in data.txt. So let's cat data.txt. It seems like there is a lot of keywords and also the passwords, I guess in the form of dictionary. There is a lot of data in this data.txt file. As you can see, the cat command that we have used to view the file data.txt is not seen to be stopping anywhere because there is a lot of data. So we need to find a particular word called millionth here, that is a millionth here. So let's go and search for the word millionth in this. Before that we need to stop this. So we can use Control C or Control Z command to stop this. Yeah. Finally now it stopped. Let's see. Let's cat data.txt and we'll append a pipeline here saying that we need to find a word called millionth, that is millionth here in this data.txt. So let's hit enter. So as you can see, we have found the word million, and the level goal says that the password for the next level is stored in the data file data.txt files, and it is next to the word millionth. So we have found this is going to be our password for the next level. Thank you for watching.